Barry Taft, Realtor and Personal Real Estate Corporation with Mountain Town Properties. I'm based in Invermere, BC, and this is my new listing, 3404. This is a beautiful top floor, 3-bedroom corner unit with full views of the lake and the pool, the Rocky Mountains. This is the nicest unit in Lake Windermere Pointe available right now, maybe ever available. It's a beautiful unit. Let's go take a look. Right, as you first enter the unit, the first thing you notice is the updated flooring, the beautiful little bit of tongue and groove wall covering as well, and just how bright and spacious the unit is. So you've got lots of room as you first enter, and beautiful, flows into this beautiful kitchen, open concept living room, dining room area. And before we go see the bedrooms, let's go outside and see this view and just see what this unit is all about. Full Rocky Mountain views from this window, and then we're going to go out onto this beautiful corner deck here. From this corner deck, we have amazing views, the Rocky Mountains and Lake Windermere. It's a really nice feature here with the fireplace, and as mentioned, this flooring is beautiful, the wall color is really nice, the furniture is gorgeous. What a modern twist on a Lake Windermere Pointe unit. And this unit is being sold fully furnished, turnkey, ready to go. I'm just going to pop into the master here. So you've got a little bit of ceiling vault, and but still lots of room for a king-size bed. And again, really nice views even from the master here. And everything is in immaculate condition. So we flow through this closet area into the ensuite. And one thing that's really nice about this ensuite, it's actually quite uncommon, is this has a shower. So that's a really nice feature to have instead of just having a tub. So really nice ensuite. Everything is in really good condition. Right, so as we continue on over to the other 2 bedrooms here, we've got a full-size bathroom here with a tub and nice space. And then we've got this really pleasant room that's kind of a corner room. And this one's got the views down to the lake here. Just gonna pop over here and show you those really nice views. Again, all the furniture, everything's in such good condition, and it's really nice to walk into one of these units and you don't need to do a renovation, you don't need to do any design, it's all been done. So this 3rd room is gorgeous, this is amazing. So this is gets you the 2nd deck, and this is facing full south views. So great location here, and really nice to have the 2nd deck. Nice tall ceilings in here as well. You've got this side vault, which kind of gets you that extra ceiling height. So nice and spacious. And it's really rare to find these 3-bedroom units. They're only on the corners, but not all corners are 3 bedrooms. Just a couple other things to quickly highlight is you've got really nice closet space right here. And so this can function for coats, but it could also be a bit of an overflow kind of pantry. And then you've got more space here with your laundry, and also potential for a bit more storage as well. So just wanted to highlight those features. So in conclusion, this is a beautiful unit, great location. There are not very many 3-bedroom top floor units, and to find one that's had the full renovation and is being sold completely furnished, ready to go, this is a unique opportunity. And check out the 3D tour, reach out to myself and book your own private viewing. Thank you very much.